Hey guys, it's Cal, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to probably one of the first vlogs I've done in a pretty long time. Today we are actually going to In a Pickle Parrot shop, which you guys have seen me post on here so many times because I absolutely love that shop. And we are going out there to pick up some food and some treats and some toys and foot toys and all that good stuff for the birds, and I figured I would take you guys along. So since you haven't seen my flock in a little while, I figured I would just show how everybody's doing. There's Rio chilling, yeah, being Rio. Here's this ornery loudmouth. Are you a good boy? Say hi. Say hi. I don't know why the camera won't focus on you, but say hi. You're so handsome. Fiji getting ready to do makeup as always, because she's my little makeup girl. Yeah. These two being bad as always. You two are bad. Badnesses. Yes. Since you just heard them, here are the doves. Their cage door is open. As you can see here, they just chose not to come out, but there he is. And there she is. That cage is super messy. I just cleaned it, but they pooped everywhere, so we gotta clean it again today. But there she is, cooing, which is so weird, because I was told that only male doves coo, but this little girl... I also wanted to touch on the fact that this video is actually filmed on Saturday the 29th. I don't know if it's going to go up today, even though I already posted my planned video for today. I don't know if it's going to go up today or if I'm going to hold it over until Wednesday, because I am kind of planning on doing some pre-filming today, especially since I really want to get the species spotlight on the cockatiel done while the two cockatiels I'm babysitting back there are still here, because I think I probably only got about another couple days to a week with them, maybe. I don't really know. So I'm going to try to pre-film that, and I'm going to try to pre-film some stuff today. Fingers crossed I actually do it. But yeah, I don't really know when this vlog is going to go up. So I just wanted to put that in there, that this vlog is on Saturday the 29th. Not that it really matters, but with vlogs, I like people to know the actual date. I don't know. Alright, we can get going now. down there. Yep. Hi, Jimmy. Hi, Jimmy. That's Halfmoon. Hi, Pickle. Hi, Jimmy. Oh, God. Hi, dude. Look at all the little green cheeks. Look at all the little green cheeks. They all look like tiki torches. A mango back there. Got cockatiels. Boy. More cockatiels. They should be over here. Aww. Yeah, some down here. Should be down here behind you, I think. No, those are paralyzed. Should be in these cages. Done with that. Those are Amazons. Hello. Hello. What's the matter, baby? You hungry? Yeah. You're cute. Well, hello. Are you greeting me? Hello. How are you? Are you cute or pretty? Yeah. Look at the little piggies. Little piggies. Those are those are sun timers. 10 days of suns. Hi. Hello. 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 Now that I spent way more than I should have on all kind of supplies, but I did get a harness here because I am going to work on getting Paulie the blue crowned trained to be a harness bird so he can go places with me and be outside and stuff on a nice harness. So this should be an experience. Alright, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye. Also, what is this sun doing? Look at this. The sun is so, like, it's like setting and not getting along, which really sucks because I was planning on filming a haul video after this. And this is usually where I film. So, I don't know. Okay, bye.